You're cooking food in your Instant Pot and then it happens. You get that dreaded burn message on your display. Let's talk about why you got it, what you can do to fix it, and how you can make sure it never happens again. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you are officially cooking with Carly. Today, we are talking about that dreaded burn notice. And if you are not familiar with the burn notice, count yourself very lucky. This happens when the things inside of your Instant Pot doesn't go so well and your display reads burn. And when that happens, your Instant Pot actually shuts off and it won't work. So let's talk about why this happens. There's a couple reasons why the burn notice may happen. Number one, you don't have enough liquid inside of your Instant Pot. There needs to be enough liquid for everything inside of the pot to boil and create steam in order for your Instant Pot to come to pressure. And if there's not enough liquid, you're gonna get that burn notice. To ensure you have enough liquid in your Instant Pot so you don't get the burn notice, I suggest following tried and true recipes while you're getting used to your Instant Pot. If you need some great, well-tested recipes, make sure to check out my website, www.cookingwithcarly.com, and I will link to all my Instant Pot recipes below in the description. Another reason why people get the burn notice in their Instant Pot is actually because there's little stuck on bits of food on the bottom of the pot. So nothing's actually burning, but the Instant Pot can sense that there's food stuck to the bottom, and then it will trigger the burn notice and it will stop cooking. I just grabbed the liner of my little 3-quart Instant Pot and to show you. So sometimes there is food that gets stuck to the bottom here. This is most common after you like sear some chicken or sear a roast or something like that in the bottom of your Instant Pot prior to pressure cooking. Things will get stuck here. So you need to deglaze the inner pot before you pressure cook. This just means putting liquid in and scraping the bottom very well to make sure there's nothing stuck so you won't get the burn notice. Another culprit of the burn notice is actually forgetting to put your knob here over to sealing. If you accidentally keep it over at vent, everything inside of your Instant Pot will be boiling and boiling and boiling, and all of the steam and all of that liquid is going to evaporate out of the vent. So then you'll be left with not enough liquid and you'll get the burn notice. Another thing to check if you do get the burn notice is that your sealing ring is in right. Let me go grab a sealing ring. Here is my little 3-quart lid and the sealing ring is here. If you need more information about the parts of your Instant Pot and what they mean, what they do, make sure to check out my lingo and my beginner videos that I'll link right here. It will really help you out and set you up for success. Sometimes if this isn't perfectly in place and it's lifted a little bit like this, it will not come to pressure. And that will also give you the burn notice if your Instant Pot won't come to pressure. It won't come to pressure if the sealing ring is like this because the sealing ring is needed to seal the lid to the bottom of the pot. Don't forget to like this video if it's helped you out and made you understand the burn notice a little bit more, and hit the subscribe button so you stay in the know with all of my Instant Pot content coming to YouTube in the near future. Oh, and that notification bell. Hit the notification bell too. Now that we've gone through the reasons as to why the burn notice can happen, let's talk about the what to do about it. What should you do if you get the burn notice? First, we'll take off the lid and make sure that the sealing ring is in place. We'll check to make sure that the knob here is set to sealing and not to vent. And if those things are in place correctly, we'll remove the lid and we'll look at the food underneath. If there's not enough liquid in there, then you probably need to remove the food, clean the bottom of it, add liquid to the bottom, and then put your food back into the Instant Pot without stirring. You need that thin liquid there to boil and create steam. This happens frequently when beginners of the Instant Pot want to make a recipe that they've made for a long time. So they mix water or chicken broth with, let's say, a cream of chicken soup. That is still really, really thick. So it won't boil and come to pressure like it should. If you are wanting to do something like that, in fact, I have a chicken and gravy recipe that I'll link below that pretty much is just that. What you need to do is put in the liquid and then the chicken and then the cream of chicken soup on top, and do not stir. We need that thin liquid. Once your food has been out, you've scraped the bottom, you've cleaned it, you've put in your liquid and put your food back in and you're ready to cook again, you're going to have to either press that cancel button or completely unplug and replug in your Instant Pot in order for it to work again. I'm curious, have you gotten the burn notice before? Is that why you're here right now? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear the dish that it happened with, so I can give you some pointers as to how to make the dish without the burn notice happening. Hopefully this video has helped you to know what to do the next time that burn notice happens, and hopefully it never happens again thanks to this video.